what's up, senior high? It's Sir Dale here, and we're back. We're now in the fourth quarter, so this will just be a short video. I figured that not only the grade 11 need this, but also the grade 12 also because of the research. So I will give this video lecture. Okay, so just bear with me if I'm doing this. Dinalaan din siya, guys. So pasensya nila. Okay, so yeah, I'm recording this in the morning. Okay, so yeah, so let's dive right into your module. I will just introduce it to you. Okay, so here we are, no, at ang fourth quarter, the module 2. So I intentionally put this in your module because daghan kayo sa inyo sa inyo hagit nga aya pa kayo mag-listen to check. Okay, so yeah, this quarter I won't require you sa daghan kay nga mga solution, but I will teach you how to utilize your tools, okay, such as MS Excel and your calculator. Okay, so yeah, if tarawantay mo sa inyong basta ako na gani mag-mo, arte gid kay ko ana sa inyong module. Okay, arte kay ko ana why man tanaw gani ang kuan. So if there is a table of contents, I just introduce you to the lessons nga nasa to author ng quarter. So first is correlation analysis, hypothesis testing. This you will need this when you will be in grade 12. So ako na lang siyang himuon because you will need this eventually. Hypothesis testing, Z-test, we have T-test, F-test, or ANOVA. We did this in our research when we were in college. Okay, so this is really helpful when you are comparing means. Okay, so F-test, ANOVA, univariate analysis, descriptive analysis, and the chi-square. Okay, this is not chi-square, this is chi-square. Chi-square distribution. Chi-square. Chi-square. So this is a test, no? It's also a area under the normal curve. So if you see here, if you click lang ninyo correlation analysis, mo adto na din siya sa correlation analysis. Okay, ano na siya, or kung balik ta dito sa table of contents, or kung nagbago pa yung i-open, hala, chapter 7 ako, just click the chi-square, then it will lead you there. Okay, so yan na siya, yan na ko inyong module. Sana ma-appreciate yung module about it. Okay, so let's dive right into your okay, so these are the submission dates. So I expect for you to submit this next week, April 11 and 12. Okay, so yeah, correlation, it is defined as a relationship between two sets of variables. So how does the change in X affect the change in Y? Okay, so this is a bivariate data because it has two variables as paired measurements. So correlation is synonymous with relationship in meaning. Okay, so correlation coefficient, how does if sige na lang na example. Okay, so ang correlation coefficient is represented by the letter R. Okay, letter R. So letter R siya, na siya yung mga range from 0 to 1 and also from 0 to negative 1. Okay, so kung ngayon ganit ka negative 1, no? Negative 1, that's negatively correlated. Okay, so meaning kung ga-increase ang X, ga-decrease ang Y. So that's the negative correlation. Okay, and kung positive 1 ang correlation mo, meaning perfect correlation siya, it gives you it means that kung ga-increase ang X, ga-increase sad ang Y. So, kuanta, what does that look like in a graph. Okay, so kung nunta nga positive 1 ang correlation ana, nunta lang this is x and this is y. So as x increases, y also increases. Okay, so it increases linearly. So it has a perfect correlation. Muna ang 1 nga r. Kung negative 1 sa r, as x increases, y decreases. Okay, so ana siya. Ana. Okay, so this is negative 1 and this is positive 1. Okay, so kung ang value sa r ninyo is just from 0 to 20, positive 0.20, negligible ang correlation ana. So meaning as walay labot kung magunsa si x, walay labot si y. Okay? Kung 0.21 to 0.40, low or slight relationship. High relationship, moderate correlation kung 0.41 to 0.70 signifies moderate correlation. 0.71 to 0.90, high relationship. Okay? So, and then 0.91 to 0.99, very high correlation. Okay? So, muna siya kung 1 perfect correlation, that's grabe na din, no? So sa inyong research, kung depende mo kung sa amoa, for example sa amoa, amoang research is about we have this experiment nga as the concentration of the alcohol increases, ang amo sa makuha nga ma-distill sa alcohol is mag-increase gihapon. So kinahanglan namo nga ang R namo is very close to 1. Okay? So that we can make a model, no? A model of the concentration of alcohol in our wine sample. Okay, so as we increase the alcohol in our wine sample nga despite namo during distillation, mag-increase sad among ma-recover. Dapat kay increase man ang alcohol content sa X, dapat mag-increase sad ang alcohol content sa Y. So ana gyapon, so among gina-target is kini nga correlation. Okay? So ana gyapon sa inyong research, it may not be this is what I have learned, no, in our research class also. Ayaw mo pag hope na moabot gina siya 0.91 to 0.99 ang inyong correlation. Why? That means na most of your research are surveys, di ba? Most of your research, diba? I've seen your titles. It's boils about human behavior, about how this affects, no? How this affects. So siguro if you expect nga kani siya nga mga behavior, for example, so sa pandemic, no, nga grabe kay siya negative effect sa inyong respondents, so you expect a correlation nga taas. Okay, may it be negative or a positive yung correlation. Okay, so yeah, muna siya ang inyong kuan, pero you do not expect a perfect correlation sa kana nga mga studies. Why? Because that is human behavior. You cannot predict human behavior. Okay? So kini siya nga mga range sa R, kay angay lang ni siya para sa amo ang research nga if we increase sa ang volume sa alcohol nga among ibutang sa tubig, pag distill na mo ana, pag recover na mo ana sa during distillation, mo increase sad ang makuha nga alcohol. Okay, so that's expected. Kinahanglan na mo siya ma-achieve nga correlation nga 0.91 to 0.99. Pero sa inyong research, di mo mag-expect ana na gabi kay siya. You will, although makakita mo kung ana, but you cannot expect it all the time to happen. Okay, so nga na siya akong gusto ipasabot sa inyo. Okay, so let's calculate R. So this is the formula of the R. But I won't bother you. You can read this and you can read it on your own, okay? But what I want to show you is how you can, labi na sa mga walay computers, no? I want to teach you the calculator way, and also unta you will see this video, no? Kini siya, IG sa company. So unsa man atong gina-expect ani? So we have this, no? Kini siya. We have sales agent ani why. So atong gina-expect nga kung magkadaghan ang number of calls niya. So example, kini man sila ng mga sales agent. If nakabantay mo kanang na mga sales agent sa mga sakyanan. Because I have a kuya nga agent sa sakyanan before. Okay? Shout out to Kuya Kit. Shout out to my Kuya Kit. So, agent sa sakyanan. So, akong expect nga kung daghan kayo og kung sige siya panawag sa iyang mga clients, ang iyang weekly sales makaabot di sa iyang quota ng mga sakyanan. Okay? So, ana siya. So, kung number of calls niya 24, ang weekly sales niya kay 10. Okay? So, atong i-prove karon nga kung magkadaghan ba ang number of calls nimo, mudaghan ba pud imong weekly sales. Okay? So, muna atong i-prove. Ano ta sa ato ang diri sa atong calculator. So, balik ta. Press mode, then start, then 2, press 2. Okay, so just list all just list all this in our calculator. Okay, so let's do that. So we have 24, 23, 29, 17, 25, 10, 12, 16, 28, 15, 14, 10. Okay, and then let's go back. We have 10, 12, 15, 8, 14, 2, 5, 10, 18, 12, 11, and 6. Okay, so kung saan man din na siya. So press AC. Press AC, and then ato ta sa shift 1, and then regression kaning 5. Press 5. Okay, so nakita rin nyo ang R. Ang R, ana. And then press equals. Okay, 0.771, ana siya. Okay, so let's see unsa ato ang makuha. So, it's equal. Okay, 0.77195. Okay, ana. So that's it. But for us, this is not enough. We get the R squared. Actually, R squared ang ginakuha. And if ang R squared ganit nimo is dili kuan. No, dili siya pwede. Okay, so R squared ang ginapangita actually. But for you, now, R lang enough na. Okay? Dili para sa ihang lab sa imong enough. Okay, so let's also show how we do this in Excel. Okay, so Excel, sayon ra kayo siya guys. Just type Pearson, no? Let's do that. Ito sa Excel. Let's open Excel. Excel, sales, isa to. Hindi ko kay paspas na kayong computer guys. Sales agent, dayon. Okay, so ako din naghimo ani ihang module guys ha kaning it was entrusted to me by Sir Hermono. I just edited it para naa siya yung mga pictures bitaw na masuon ninyo kung mag-Excel na mo. Okay, because this quarter gid kay heavily reliant on device. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I just have to show you a little trick here. I-highlight ninyo and then drag paubos until mukha nito. Okay, so yan na siya. then type the data. We have 24, 33, 29, 17, 25, 10, 12, 16, 28, 15, 14, 10. And then we have 10, 12, 15, 8, 14, 2, 5, 10, 18, 12, 11, and 6. Okay. So, ano siya? Dali na kayo siya, guys. Butang lang inyo ang R. Okay. So, ang R, we have R then equals. Okay. Just press equals and then type pearson. Pearson, and then kani siya drag paubos, comma, and then kana siya drag na sa paubos, close parenthesis. Okay, so na siya ang data. Okay, so that's how you get the Pearson correlation coefficient sa Excel. Okay, so I hope if inyong gibasa yun inyong module na siya. Okay, so practice your skills. Okay, so ingana yapon, please do that. I've shown you how. Okay, so and then the answer is here. Try getting this answer. Okay, so muna ako nakuha. So muna ta sa itong submit it in April 11 and 12. Okay, sa April 11 sa ABM and Humes and April 12 sa AS and ICT. So sa inyong application, okay, application tawag atay quiz. Okay, so ang akong kuan lang ani is unsay inyo makuha sa aning assessment. I'll just divide your score by 2. Muna rin inyong score sa quiz and application. Okay, so compute the person's correlation coefficient R. So in each of the items, so there are 3 items. So calculate the R and also discuss the result of your computation. Okay, so let's try to interpret your let's try to interpret your katong result nga itong nakita ganyan. So correlation coefficient 0.78 indicates high correlation, diba? So high correlation ba? Sakto ba? So kani dapat ako ang makita ha. High correlation, 0.78 man to. Means high. So muna siya ako makita dapat sa inyong interpretation kini. High correlation. Na check. Kun nyo dire. Next, tungod kay unsa man ihang value 0.78, diba? 0.78. So meaning it is a positive correlation. So positive correlation. Positive correlation. Wala na yung perfect kani ito 1. So positive correlation lang. So number 1 muna siya. Pangitaon ko na, is it a positive correlation or negative correlation? Muna akong pangitaon una. Next, kini. High relationship ba or low relationship? Yeah. Number 2, ako ding pangitaon is it follows. Unsa may pasabot din ana kung high relationship or low relationship. It follows that as the number of calls increase, di ba? Number of calls increase, meaning the weekly sales will likewise increase or vice versa. Okay? So meaning kung ang weekly sales nag-increase, meaning ang agent nato ana sige panawag, kadaghan siya ka panawag, okay, sa iyang mga clients. So ana na siya akong kuan. So nga na pod akong gusto makita if ang price ba kung magkataas ba ang price, daghan ba ang sales, o kung magkataas ba ang price, mugamay ang sales. So that's what you have to prove sa inyo discuss sa results sa inyo computation. First, show me nga it is a negative or positive correlation. Unsa iyang relationship, di ba? Yung relationship niya is it a high correlation? Is it a low correlation? And then what does that mean? If the price ba mo increase, mo decrease ba ang sales, o mo increase ba ang price, mo increase ba pud ang sales. Okay, so that's it for it. So gapon, kung mag-increase ba ang number of TV ads, mo increase ba ang number of people nga moadto sa ilahang kuan, sa ilahang store, di ba? Or kung magkagamay ang TV ads, magkadaghan ang moadto sa ilang store. Dapat makita na ko na sa interpretation. Next, kung ang salary mean ba, ang mean grade ba sa iyong salary, kung magkataas ba ang sweldo sa maestra, magkataas ba po ihang performance, or kung magkaubos ang kuan or walay correlation at all, no? So bahala pagpatasan nimo ang sweldo sa SITC nga maestra, mutas ba pud iyang performance dili, no? Nana siya hapon. So that's it for your lesson 1. Okay, so that's it for your lesson 1. I hope you understand it well and you have inyong maansiran ang inyong module. Okay, so I really hope perfect score ani sa inyo ha. And di na ko maghimo og video ani because I was disappointed by your performance at tungkuan. Although na ay mga gamay nga mga nag gibuhat, pero ang gibuhat sa ko ani gibasang module. Okay, so I don't know if namo na learn sa ko but please if namo na learn sa ko, please tell me in the comments below. I would really appreciate it because that will be my measure kung magbuhat pa ba ko ganing mga videos sa inyo. Okay? So ana lang siya. Please like and share and subscribe this. Please share this to your friends also, for example, for especially the grade 12 nga mag-need gid ani nga mga lessons. Okay? So that's it for this lesson. This has been teacher Sir Dale. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!